Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. In today's video we are going to cover Kaspa, but before we are going to start, let's quickly have a look at a crypto bubble. So currently we are pretty much seeing an ocean of red. We see a little bit of consolidation on the market. However, we've got some daily winners, which is obviously our beloved Kaspa, 16.7%, Bong up 16.2, Helium up 11.5, and that's about it. However, there is nothing to be worried about, because if we are going to switch to weekly, we can see that we've got much more green in the ocean, and over here on the monthly we've got pretty much everything pumping. All right, and let's have a look at Kaspa. So Kaspa is currently trading at 12 cents of a dollar, and the current market cap is at $2,775,000,000. 24-hour trading volume is at $67 million. And now let's have a look what happened in the last 24 hours. As you can see, we have bounced from that support, but we are going to check it on trading view very soon. If we are going to look at 7-day time frame, as you can see over here, we have pumped much bigger, much more. So let's have a look at current market cap over here and how we are growing if it comes to pretty much zoomed out chart. As you can see over here, if you guys were pretty much brave and took that risk into Kaspa at the time when Kaspa was at the market cap of $82 million, you probably are sitting on a huge gains unless you have sold. All right, and guys, let's have a look over here quickly at greed index. We are currently sitting at 65. Now let's check this out. This is a very bullish news. This is what Kaspa was made for, introducing the first merchant in Kenya to accept Kaspa payments, pretty much. Watch now. So there is a link over here. Let me click on it. However, we are not going to see too much of sorry, there will be no sound. I do experience some technical problems. All right, then let's have a look. All right then, Caspium. So if we are going to see major adoption with Kaspa payments all over the world, that's going to be very good for Kaspa holders. Let's have a look over here. Kaspa will easily reach a 40x from where it is now. Well, I hope. So that brings us to the chart. So if we are going to have a look on the weekly time frame, we've pretty much dipped to that zone and line of support, and we have bounced very healthy. Now there is something I would like to show you. Ever since pretty much Kaspa hit its all-time highs in March, we pretty much see a certain pattern over here. Let me just zoom it out that way so it will be more visible. So if I'm going to draw a trend line over here, we are pretty much going sideways after a major pump. Then we are going sideways again, right? We are experiencing a pump again. Then we are going sideways. We consolidate a little bit. Over here at these 2 weeks candles, as you can see as well, the same thing is going on here. And then we saw a huge move upwards. So as you can see over here, on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, we've pretty much saw the same trend with Kaspa, right? We've consolidated, we went down, and now we are pretty much experiencing a major pump. The question is how big the pump is going to be. So Well, I'm pretty sure that we are going to retest that line of resistance over here at 14 cents, and well, hopefully we are going to break through. Now let me just take out these trend lines over here, and let's have a look at a daily time frame. If I'm going to throw a ribbon at it, that is going to be much more clear. As you can see over here, right, we've pumped over here, then we've consolidated. Yeah, same over here, we've pumped, consolidation, pump, consolidation. Over here we saw a major pump, and here we've flipped on red, which was a consolidation as well, but obviously Kaspa doesn't care too much, it's just pumping. RSI is currently sitting at 57, so that pretty much looks very healthy at the moment. I'm going to keep you updated, guys. Hope that you've enjoyed that update. Peace and love, crypto, everybody.